Hi, you're outside with the Moores, and today we're going to talk about the essential 10 items you should bring on a hiking trip. Even if it's a short trip, you never know what to expect. So it's good to be prepared. Today I'm using my Gregory Nano backpack. It's a 20-liter backpack. First is the backpack itself. So you need something to carry everything. And then of course we need our water. So I have extra water in this water bottle. That's not closed. So I have water here, and I also have a water bladder that has 3 liters of water. So I have the water bladder also. I have sun protection. So I have a hat, and I also have some sunscreen and bug repellent in my backpack. I apply this before I go hiking, and then I just bring it just in case I need to reapply if I'm out for a long time. The next thing that I have here is my navigation. So I have a compass and a map of where I'm going to go. And then I also have some extra things. I have some extra batteries, and I have a pocket knife here. And so I just keep that attached to my bag with my cooling rag here. Slide that in that pocket. Another thing to bring is a headlamp. So you might not plan to be out long, but you never know what happens. So it's good to have some light if you're out. You're getting back later than expected and it starts to get dark. So I have a headlamp here. I also have some matches. So here I have some matches in a waterproof case. In this front pocket, I also have a small pocket knife and utility knife. Something essential that you need to bring is the emergency kit. For any medical emergencies that might happen. I keep all of my emergency things in this red bag so it's easy to see and easy to grab. In this bag I have an emergency poncho. If it rains, I can use this. I can also use this as a shelter. I can use my trekking pole and rig up a little tarp shelter using my poncho. I have an emergency blanket in here along with some other emergency supplies. And then I have a small emergency medical kit here, so for emergencies. In here I also have some extra matches in a waterproof container. I have some insect repellent wipes that are easy to apply. Some moleskin in case you get blisters. In this bag I have some Afterbite. This is really handy. I got stung by a wasp not that long ago, and so this was really handy to have. And then I have some alcohol cleaning wipes. These are really important to have in case you encounter poison ivy or poison oak. You need to quickly wipe off the resin from the oils of those plants, and it can prevent you from having a worse reaction. So you should always have some alcohol wipes in your emergency kit. So that's my emergency kit there. I also have food, and I have extra food in case we're out longer than we think. I have extra backup supply in another pocket there. And the last thing I have in my bag is another layer. So when you're out hiking, you always want to have layers so that you can take off a layer if you get hot or put on a layer if you get cold. And so you want to have a raincoat or an extra layer to help protect you from the elements. So that's what we generally keep in here. I also have some tissues in case I need to go to the restroom, and I have a baggie that I can put them in case there's nowhere to throw them away. So I have a baggie and some tissues also in my pack. I also have some hand sanitizer. This is good to wash your hands, of course, but also, like I mentioned with poison ivy, you can use this to rub on to the part that got in contact with poison ivy. I think that's it. So that's what I carry in my bag. I also have some extra carabiners in case I want to attach something. I can put that in there. So that's what I carry in my bag. And I also keep a list of some essential items in my front pocket. All right, see you guys next time. Bye.